Welcome back to my channel, guys. Next in Food. I am your diva chef Simone Walker Barrett. Today's tutorial is all about how to fry sprat. Now, sprat is a little oily fish that is loved by most Jamaicans, and these little fish, they are related to the mackerel family. They have oil in the flesh and they also have oil in the liver. Now, Jamaicans love their sprat Escovitch, so let's go and make some Escovitch sprat. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Sprat is getting a moment here on Next in Food. We will leave the link to the Escovitch tutorial down below so you can follow along. I am your diva chef Simone Walker Barrett. Remember again to like, comment, and share. Tell somebody about my channel, Next in Food. I'll see you next time with another of my family's favorite Jamaican comfort food. Take care.